Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. I thought we'd do something really fun in this video. Let's take a look at dopamine fuel rooms. Now, this phrase dopamine fuel has been all over social media. Look under hashtag dopamine decor and you will definitely see it. A lot of D words. So if you are just totally confused on what I'm talking about right now, it's okay. I'm going to spell it out for you. Now, dopamine is a neurotransmitter that plays a role in the reward center of the brain. Think about when you're stressed and you eat a piece of chocolate, that kind of feel-good feeling that you get, that ties into the dopamine. So when you do something that feels good, dopamine is released and you feel happy or euphoric. Now, dopamine decor is a new trend on TikTok, on Facebook, Instagram, even some YouTube, and it's all about creating a space that makes you feel happy. So why is this important? Looking at several websites, it looks like the average human's anxiety level is just really high right now. Then add in conditions like depression and just boredom. Sometimes you need to feel and see something different. So that's where the dopamine decor really comes in. It can be achieved by adding really bright colors, funky colors, fun patterns, and anything else that really just makes you smile. The main goal here is to surround yourself with things that really make you happy. So the coolest thing about dopamine decor is that it's not going to look the same for any of us. What makes you happy may be different from what makes me happy. But some of the things that you'll see are a lot of the colors. You'll see the really chaotic, kind of funky, fun, busy patterns. You'll just see odds and ends to really turn your room into a home, something that really makes you smile. It's really about adding a playful but organic approach. Okay friends, so I always ask you to share some of your favorites as well, and I wanted to show you 4 of mine. The first one is this nice room. Of course there is pink. There is actually a lot of pink, but I think that blue sofa really gives it some more depth. So of course this video is all about dopamine filled rooms, and I can honestly say that the rooms that I just really love, these rooms that I'm showing you, just really genuinely make me happy. Let me know if you could actually like have a room like this in your home.